Y'all, this gluten-free flourless brownie is sure to please. I started with a half a cup of cooked sweet potato and 1 cup peanut butter, preferably organic and free of seed oils. Any nut butter of choice is fine. I then added a half a cup of raw honey. I prefer maple syrup or coconut sugar, but I ran out. And 1/3 cup cocoa powder and a pinch of sea salt. Keep in mind, if you do choose to use the raw honey, it will have a distinct flavor. Give everything a really good mix, and then I folded in about 1/3 cup mini chocolate chips. I like to use a brand that does not have any soy lectins or additives or preservatives. It's just not good for your body. I then poured it or placed it into a glass 8x8 casserole dish lined with parchment paper, and this is very important or it will stick. You're going to bake it at 350 and it will take 25 to 35 minutes depending on the thickness and the consistency you want of your brownies. We couldn't wait, so I had to jump in. It's chocolate, it's gooey, it's rich and delicious, and it's guilt-free. The kids went crazy for it, and I topped it with a homemade cream cheese icing, which you will find soon. Go make it, okay? Enjoy.